Tutorial on how to staking votes. Go to the INT mainnet, click on the wallet in the navigation bar. Visit INT Chain 4.0 web wallet in the page. Find staking in the navigation bar and click on vote in the drop-down options. On the current page, you can see a list of nodes that are presently available for voting. Then, to the right of the node of your choosing, click Stake. Enter the amount you want to stake in the pop-up window and click Confirm. Confirm the amount by clicking the Confirm button. You will see a pop-up window to indicate success. Please click Confirm. You can refresh the page to see the amount of staking ineffective in the My Votes column of the corresponding node, as well as the balance in the upper left corner being deducted. Unstake your votes. When you are on the vote page, you can see which nodes have been voted for as well as the number of nodes that have been voted for. Click on Unstake to the right of the nodes you want to unstake. Enter the amount to be unstaked in the pop-up window and click Confirm. Confirm the amount by clicking the Confirm button. You will see a pop-up window to indicate success. Please click Confirm. When you can refresh the page, you'll notice that the balance bar in the top left corner has been raised correspondingly. Withdraw your reward. On the vote page, click Withdraw Reward next to the node where you want to withdraw your reward. Enter the amount in the pop-up window and click Confirm. Please note that the maximum amount you can enter is the reward currently displayed. Confirm the amount by clicking the Confirm button. You will see a pop-up window to indicate success. Please click Confirm. Please note that the vote will take effect in 2 hours. If you cancel the staking before it takes effect, you get it right away. You will have to wait 2 hours if you cancel the staking after it has taken effect. Thank you.